ಅಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ ಓಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಗ ಬಲ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ನೀವೇ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾನೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಬನ್ನಿ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನಡ್ರಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಡಮ್
Sir, yes. Yeah, okay, sir. Karo, sir.
Sir, today is a big day for Indian democracy. What would you like to say?
You only said it is a very big day, no, sir? It is a big day.
Sir, many issues what issues you want to think about?
No, you only said there are many issues. There are small issues also. I think anything for the betterment of there are, of course, you said a lot of issues. It's not just about the rich and the richest over here. There are people are suffering with a lot of things, and I hope I opens up. See, voting is a hope, sir. It is not an assurance. Voting is a hope. And we are doing that for many years. And many a time people come out and vote. Now the request should not be about how people come and vote. I think the request should be to these politicians and the groups and the parties. After taking the votes, what they are doing. That every term, it's still the same qualms, it's still the same problems. Problems are just raising and raising in this country. When is it going to go down? So I think request shouldn't be about the people to vote. Request should be for those people who are taking the votes now.
Any message to the youths? Because you are a big youth icon, sir.
Sir, I think their voicing out should be louder towards what they deserve from the government and the country, sir.
Thank you.